Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today I'm going to show you side sit-ups. Version 1, this is the bent knee version. Here on the Cadillac, you can do it on a tower with your rollback bar. So, there's two versions of the side sit-ups, and I included both in the flashcard deck for onlinepilatesclasses.com's Cadillac and tower flashcards. And we also made sure to let you know what's available on the tower and what's not, which most things are available on a tower, and this is one of them. This particular side sit-ups version is tricky. It's hard. It's not my favorite. You can do it without a spread eagle board or with one. So if you're doing without, you will have your feet, and you can decide if you want, I like them to the back, the front doesn't work, but you can decide if you want the bottom foot to be on the front of the pole and the top foot to be on the back of the pole, or if you want to switch that. So either works. If you have a Kuna board, also known as a spread eagle board, you will put it here, and then you can actually put your feet in the center, and you can separate a little bit. The top foot is back. All right. Then what you do is you take your outside hand on the center, inside hand on the top, and that's going to keep you from pushing just with your bicep and your shoulder. And so you're here, and you want to get this bar over the center of your head. And then we reach out and lift back up. So you want to think side bend, not this way, but more up and over, like there's a barrel. It ends up looking more like two straight lines, and you're trying to get your elbow to the bar, to the mat, with the bar over the center of your head. So we don't want to end up like this, right? So we are going wee over here, tap, and all the way up. Cool? You have to use your legs more than you think. You really, really, really do. So if you are just trying to do this with your arms, it's not going to be super fun. If you feel it in your shoulders and your neck, it's too much for you right now, I would go work on your arm back connection before you do this, and then reach with those legs. They're not straightening, but they're helping, okay? And then check out version 2. You'll see it in the flashcard deck. If you don't have the flashcards, you can get them. We have a Cadillac and tower deck. It's over 110 cards. We also have a reformer and a mat deck. We have more decks coming, so you can also get on the wait list for any of those decks. And you can join us at onlinepilatesclasses.com, where we do life better.